Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Jeep Compass and I will show you which fuses to check in case your radio is not powering up or if there is no sound coming from the speakers. This video will apply to Jeep Compasses made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. Both radio fuses will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is right here. Now to remove the cover, you will have two black clips on this side. You just want to press both of them at the same time and leave the cover straight up. On the back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. First fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 19, which is a 20 amp fuse located right here, responsible for power to the radio amplifiers. So you will check this fuse in case there is no sound coming from the speakers. And the second fuse you will check, it's a fuse number 20 located here. It's a 15 amp blue fuse responsible for power to the radio. So if your radio is not powering up, this is the fuse to check. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.